Okay, guys, welcome to a stunning off-grid tiny house where modern design meets nature's tranquility. Built on a wooden platform and elevated above the forest floor, this sleek angular retreat offers breathtaking views through its large front glass window. Nestled in a lush green forest, this eco-friendly haven is the perfect escape from the hustle and bustle. Let's take a closer look at this incredible tiny home. Wow, just look at the stunning modern cabin. The moment you step inside, you are greeted with a beautifully designed space that feels both cozy and spacious at the same time. That right side slope ceiling adds such a unique architectural touch, making the room feel open while still maintaining that warm, intimate vibe. And check out these massive glass windows. They bring in so much natural light, making the entire space feel bright and airy. Plus, imagine waking up to that breathtaking view of the forested cliffside, pure tranquility. And check out this massive glass window. They bring in so much natural light, making the entire space feel bright and airy. And now, let's talk about this kitchen. It's compact, but everything is so well thought out. You've got a sleek countertop, modern appliance, and just enough space to cook up a nice meal while enjoying the view. I love how the wooden tones blend so well with the surrounding nature. It really gives that cozy, rustic yet modern feel. And look at this, a stylish stairway leading up to the loft bed. This is such a smart use of space. Instead of a typical ladder, having a proper stairway makes it feel more like a real home. And those wooden steps, they add so much character. Wow! And the love bed setup is just perfect. You get this snug little sleeping area while still being able to enjoy the amazing forest views. Imagine lying here at night, staring at the stars through those massive windows. This is what dream cabins are made of. And here's perfect little spot to just sit back, relax, and take in the scenery. Whether you are reading a book, having coffee, or just enjoying the peacefulness of nature, this is cabin is designed for ultimate relaxation. Everything in cabin is just so well balanced. The modern aesthetic, the use of natural materials, the perfect amount of space, and of course, the stunning views. It's compact yet feels so open and inviting. Okay, I was already impressed by the chair's design, but now let's take a look at the bathroom. Now, oh wow, this is absolutely stunning. A bathroom inside a tiny cabin, a tiny wooden cabin that looks this luxurious. I was not expecting this. First off, let's talk about these massive windows. Imagine taking a bath here while looking out at the lush greenery of the cliffside forest. This is straight out of luxury retreat. The way natural light floats into the space makes it feel so open and connected to nature. And speaking of relaxation, look at this bathtub. Look at this bathtub, everyone. It's positioned perfectly to let you soak while enjoying the incredible view outside. I can just imagine sitting here, warm water, a cup of coffee, maybe some soft music playing in the background. Absolutely paradise. Now, even though this bathroom is in a compact cabin, it has all essential. The toilet is modern and minimal, and I love how they include an exhaust fan to keep the space fresh. It's the little details like this that make a big difference. And here's the sink area, super stylish. The wooden countertop, the clean design of the basin, and that mirror reflecting even more natural light. It's such a well thought out space. Plus, it does not feel cramped at all, which is impressive for all small cabin. That right side sloping ceiling also plays a huge role in making the room feel spacious. Instead of feeling boxed in, it actually enhances the open concept design while still maintaining a cozy vibe. Honestly, this is the one of the most beautiful cabin bathrooms I've ever seen. The combination of modern design, natural element, and the stunning views outside makes this space feel like a spa in the middle of the forest. What do you guys think? What do you think about your opinion, guys. And would you love to have a bathroom like this in your dream cabin? Let me know in the comment below. Okay, well, between the exterior and some of the interiors that I presented just now, only focus on the theme of material and color composition only. Doesn't mean that there is a correlation regarding the position of openings and a synchronized layout between the exterior and interior. However, this is the design inspiration that I present with the hope of being able to give all of you useful ideas and also some information, inspiration about the tiny home, especially for the tiny home interior and tiny home layout. Okay, all right. What do you think, guys, about this tiny home? Would you stay in this modern tiny cabin? And let me know in the comment below. And if you enjoy this reaction, if you enjoy this video, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe this channel. And just wait for my next video. Thanks for enjoying video until the end, and have a good day.